Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss about chemical species that are iron. But before proceeding towards the iron, we have to know about that what are chemical species. So students, chemical species are atoms, ions and molecules that take part in a chemical reactions. All those species that take part in a chemical reactions are called chemical species that include atom, ions and molecules. Now we have to discuss about the ion. First we have a look on the definition of ion. Ion is an atom or group of atoms that have electrical charge. Students, when an atom carry an electrical charge, it is called an ion. More specifically, when an atom lose or gain electron, then it carry a charge, either positive or negative. And that species that carries a charge is called as ion. The next definition of ion is the particles that carries an electrical charge, positive or negative, due to loss or gain of one or more electron is called an ion. Now let's have a look on the some explanation points. Then you have a clear idea about that how atom loss or gain electron. An atom is a neutral particle. As we know that atom is a neutral particle that have discussed in our previous videos. The number of electrons and protons are equal in an atom. Because of the equal number of electrons and protons in an atom is considered as a nuclear particle because equal number of the opposite charges cancel the effect of each other. As we know that electrons are negative and protons are positive in nature. So both of these electrons cancel, both of these species, electrons and protons, cancel the effect of each other, and as a result atom is a neutral particle. Atom is neutral, so atom can capable of losing or gain electron. If the balance between number of protons and electron is disturbed, like as I'm saying it that atom has same number of electrons and protons. If the balance is disturbed, like the number of protons become increased or number of electron become decreased, so the balance is disturbed over here. So there is a net charge on an atom. So as a result of this imbalance, a net charge appear on an atom. For example, sodium atom. As you know students, on the left hand side, sodium atom is shown with an 11 protons and 11 electrons. The protons are present in the nucleus while electrons are revolving around in the shell. So there are equal number of electrons and protons, 11 protons and 11 electrons. So therefore the net charge on sodium atom is 0 as shown on your screen. But when sodium atom releases one electron from its valence shell, as you can see that in the outermost shell sodium has only one electron. If sodium loses this electron, so as a result there is a imbalance created between the number of protons and electrons. Now you can see on the right hand side of the equation, the number of protons are 11, but the number of electrons becomes 10. So there is no equality between the number of electrons and protons, and there is no balance between them. So as a result, the net charge appear on the atom, which is +1. Similarly, oxygen gains 2 electrons. Like on the left hand side you can see that oxygen atom with the 8 protons and 8 electrons. But when oxygen atom gains 2 electrons, the number of electrons become 10 while protons remains the same as 8. So as a result, a net charge of -2 appears on oxygen atom. Now, types of ions. There are two types of ions, cations and anion. Cation are positively charged ion and anions are negatively charged ion. So, when a neutral atom, look at this sketch. When a neutral atom loses electron, then a positive charge will appear on that one atom and it is called cation. But when a neutral atom gains electrons, a negative charge will appear on that atom and is called as anion. Cation. An atom which loses electrons from its outermost shell, net positive charges appeared on that atom. जब एटम के आउटर मोस्ट शेल में से कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज हो जाता है तो एज अ रिजल्ट उस पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाता है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज अपेयर हो जाता है, एंड दैट पॉजिटिवली चार्ज स्पीशी इज कॉल्ड कैटाइन. Positive ion always have less number of electrons than the number of protons. Like कैटाइन बनने के प्रोसेस में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का नंबर हमेशा कम हो जाता है प्रोटॉन से. क्यों? क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस हो रहा है. तो न इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस होने से इलेक्ट्रॉन का नंबर कम हो रहा है, जबकि प्रोटॉन तो न्यूक्लियस में उतने ही मौजूद हैं जितने के पहले थे. Now, these are some examples present on your book. Like hydrogen atom loses one electron to form H plus. Sodium atom loses one electron to form sodium plus ion, or it is a cation, sodium cation. Magnesium atom loses two electron to form magnesium cation or magnesium ion. Now look at this sketch बच्चे. Atom loses electron to form cations. But how would you remember that either आप इस चीज़ को किस तरीके से याद रखोगे बच्चे? कैटाइन को याद रखने के लिए एक छोटी सी टिप है आपको जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट स्टेटमेंट, कैट हैज़ पॉज. कैट हैज़ पॉज. लाइक कैट आइन इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज्ड स्पीशी. कैट आइन के लिए आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा एंड पॉज. कैट हैज़ पॉज. पॉज का मतलब है कि कैटाइन इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज्ड स्पीशी. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट इज एनाइन? An atom which gains electrons and net negative charges appeared on that atom. जब एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को गेन करता है, ले लेता है, then a negative charge appeared on that atom. This negatively charged species is called an anion. Negative ions always have more number of electrons than the number of protons, because when the neutral atom gains electrons, the number of electrons are going to be increased as compared to the number of protons. Let's have a look on some example from your book. Fluorine, when gain one electron, is form of fluorine anion or fluorine ion. A negative charge will appear on it. Chlorine atom gains one electron to form chlorine ion. An oxygen atom gains two electrons to form oxygen ion. Now, when an atom gains electron, anion is formed. In order to learn that how would you remember that anions are negatively charged species, look at this look at the smaller tip on your screens. Anion. A with red show A. N shows negative and ion shows ion. So anion is a negative ion. Now let's have a look on the difference between atom and ion. Atom is a neutral species. It has same number of protons and electrons, while on the other hand, ion has a net charge, either negative or positive on it. The number of proton is different from that of electrons. एटम न्यूट्रल स्पीशी है, जबकि आयन के ऊपर नेट चार्ज अपेयर होता है बाय द लॉस और गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो इट डजंट हैव इक्वल नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लाइक एटम. It is the smallest particle of element. Atom is the smallest particle of atom. Ion is the smallest unit of an ionic compound. Atom is the smallest particle of an element, but ion is the smallest unit of ionic compound. While the third difference, atom can or cannot exist independently. For example, sodium, potassium and iron. Like atom can exist independently or cannot exist independently. And there are some atoms that can exist independently while others are not. While ion, it cannot exist independently. For example, sodium, potassium and iron are shown on your screen. Like atom may exist as an independent or they cannot exist independently. Both the situations are possible, but iron is the species that cannot exist independently. It probably form a bond with another one species.